class. Today, we're going to be learning about the different types of triangles and how we can tell each triangle from each other. So, can anyone tell me what a triangle is? How we know something's a triangle? Yes.
Triangle has to have 3 sides.
3 sides. Amazing. Cool. Anyone else? Any other qualifications for a triangle? Do we know anything about the angles in a triangle? Yes.
They all have to add up to 180.
Perfect. Add up to 180. Degrees. Perfect, perfect. Cool. So now we're going to learn what each of these triangles mean. They all have these requirements, but they can obviously come in different shapes and sizes. So let's learn about these different sizes. So what about this triangle looks different from all the rest of these triangles? Yes.
It has a 90-degree angle.
90-degree angle. And can you tell me which angle that is? 1, 2, or 3? 3. Great, great, great. And so because it has a 90-degree angle, this is what we call a right triangle. Yes, right triangle. So that's what this is. Right triangle. So what about this triangle? Using, just looking at it, what kind of looks special about this triangle that this triangle doesn't have? Yes.
The top 2 sides are the same.
They look the same. Perfect, yes. And we showed that 2 sides of a triangle look the same by drawing little lines right there saying that they look the same. So since these 2 sides look the same and this side is not the same, then we call this an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Amazing, amazing. Okay, and let's look at this triangle. What about this triangle looks different from the other 2 triangles that we have already identified? Yes.
The sides look like they're all the same.
Yes, the sides also look like they're all the same. Perfect. So we use this little line again and show that they're all the same. So we would call this an equilateral triangle. And I'm really sure I'm going to spell this wrong. Equilateral triangle. Perfect. So now we know how to determine 3 types of triangles. Great. So now we're going to learn a little acronym or chant, depending on how you say it, to remember the 3 triangles that we just learned. So this, we'll call this TIRE. So this T stands for triangles. Just to say that these are the different types of triangles that we learned to distinguish. So this letter is the first letter in this little line. And this stands for isosceles, where one side is different from the other 2. This is the one side. Now R stands for right. And it is the second letter because the 2 angles, this one and that one, both add up to 90 degrees. Great. And this letter is the third, E for equilateral, because the 3 sides of the triangle are all equal. So now, do you want to say it with me, class? So let's go through TIRE.
Triangles,
Isosceles, right, equilateral.
Great. So now we know a little acronym so we can remember all of our triangles that we just learned.